Oh, typical college. This is how all students spend their free time, drinking with their friends and making bad decisions, right? Or is that just what you think? Today we are going to be talking about the social norms theory and how it relates to drinking alcohol in college. Initially, the social norms theory was a research experiment developed primarily by Dr. Wesley Perkins in 1980. The social norms theory describes situations in which individuals incorrectly perceive the behaviors of others. This causes individuals to change their own behaviors based on the misconceived norm. Students have shown a tendency to overestimate the alcohol use of their peers, causing themselves to drink more because they think their peers are doing it. We are going to share with you the real statistics that Keene State students reported. Within the last 30 days, 89% of KSC students have not driven after drinking alcohol. 76% of KSC students reported that since the beginning of the school year, their drinking has not affected their ability to meet responsibilities at school. KSC students reported that they thought 96% of all students at KSC used alcohol within the past 30 days, when only 70% had. KSC students reported that they thought students had 8 drinks last time they partied or socialized, when in reality, it was reported that the average consumed was 4 drinks. 90% of KSC students reported using a designated driver when they drink. Now that you have learned today that maybe your peers are not making as many risky decisions as you thought, we want to teach you some great refusal skills for when you are out with your friends, but you don't want to drink. Say no thanks. Tell them you have a test or interview tomorrow. Ask them why they care if you do or don't drink. Use humor. Tell your friends you want to be able to think straight. Walk away from the situation. Avoid the situation altogether by doing something else or just by leaving when you have had enough. Next, we need to equip you with harm reduction techniques that you can use so your drinking does not become a risky behavior. Drink 1 cup of water with every alcoholic beverage. Stay with the same group of friends when you party. Count and measure your drinks. For this technique, it helps to know standard drink sizes. Now that you know the standard drink sizes, keep track of how much you drink. Set a blood alcohol content (BAC) level for yourself and stick to it. Don't drink on an empty stomach. See, we're not all as at risk as you thought. Please keep the social norms theory in mind next time you feel like drinking alcohol is a necessity in college. Do not let your own misconceptions or others determine your behavior.